A face, the cap used by Turks, is shaped like the frustum of a cone. You can see it in the figure here. That's the cap, the Turkish cap. If its radius on the open side is 10 centimeters and radius at the upper base is 4 centimeters and slant height is 15, find the area of material used for making it. First point is we are dealing with a frustum. Now we need to make material. The question is to find the material needed for making this frustum. So we require area. If we were to fill it with something, some liquid, then we require volume or capacity. We require area. Now which area do we require? Now if you notice in this cap, this edge, the material will be along this part. That is one surface here, which I am marking here. Now see this surface. We'll mark that as surface 1. We require to put the material here, and we need also to put the material along this part here, right, this part. So we'll mark the same thing in this figure of ours. We need to put material along this, so this blue part. So we'll mark that area as 2. However, this bottom area, this area is to be left open. This area is to be left open. If we close that area, then we cannot use it as a cap. We've got to put it on our head, right? So this area is left open. So there's no material in this. This is open area. So the material that we require, the area that we require, is made up of surface 1 plus surface 2. The surface 1 we have seen is the red one, and the surface 2 we see is the blue one. Now what is the area of surface 1? It is a circle, so it will be pi r square. And the surface 2, we see the surface 2, the blue one, is the CSA of the frustum. CSA of frustum. So we need to put the formulas here and put the values. Let's also denote the radii. Here they said its radius on the open side is 10. So this radius here, this capital R, is 10 centimeters. And the radius at the upper base is this, the top here, the small r, they said is 4 centimeters. So the r here is 4 centimeters. And the slant height they have given, the L, this is the slant height here. The slant height L is given as 15 centimeters. So here the formula pi r square, I need to do it in pi r square, and the CSA of the frustum we know is, this is the CSA of the frustum. So we start putting the values now here. We'll put pi, your small r is this, so it is 4 square plus pi, the L is this, so we put here 15. The small r we know is 4 and the larger r is 10. So that will be 16 pi plus pi into 15 into 14. Continue, 16 pi plus pi, and this becomes 29 pi. So we add 16 and 29. That works as 45 pi, and then we do 45 into 7, 22 by 7. And here your answer works as 4972. So that's an answer, 4972 over 7 centimeters square. So the takeaway from this sum is we need to only add 2 surfaces. Although the frustum has got 3 surfaces, we need to add 2 surfaces because in the lower part we leave it empty. There is no material on the lower surface.